Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
With the opposition spokesman on sports, Waver Hines, questioning whether the Ministry of Sports followed procurement procedures for the resurfacing work on the National Stadium track. One of the companies which was in the running to undertake the work has said no bidding process took place. Speaking exclusively with TVJ Sports from Germany this morning, Peter Brewer of track manufacturer Reggae was asked if his company participated in a tendering process.
No, we only sent an email because we were asked by Major Brown, please send us immediately a quote, which we did on an email. Okay, 2-page email. Quote was sent. The next day we sent, because we came up with that idea, maybe if we only put a fresh color over the track is still good. It's still class 1. Everything is good, just overpaint it. And then the people from Grand Slam might be happy because now it looks uniform again.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange confirmed that US $350,000 was being spent by the government to resurface the track. However, subsequently, Grand Slam Track's venue director Don Lockerbie told the TVJ Sports exclusively that they contributed more than what the government spent on the project. The resurfacing exercise was done by competing track manufacturer Recordton. Defending champions of the Queen's School and the last year's beaten finalist Holy Childhood were big winners as the Issa High School girls basketball competition tipped off earlier this week at 3 venues. In games played at the Queen's School, the home team were just too good for Excelsior High and ran out easy winners 41-7. Leading the charge for the Queens were Desire Martin with 16 points and Donnae Brown with 14 points. In the second game of the doubleheader, the outstanding Tamoy Hamilton with 34 points, 10 rebounds and 4 steals was the spearhead for Holy Childhood as they overpowered St. Hugh's High 51-9. In other games played on the opening day, Camperdown beat Wolmer's 87-4. Immaculate Conception defeated Stats 26-24. Manchester High beat Mount Alvernia 29-15 and Herbert Morrison got by Stets 23-15. Another round of games will be played on Saturday. And finally, West Indies batsman Kirk Mackenzie and former West Indies under-19 representative Jordan Johnson are among the 7 protected players for the Jamaica Titans in the inaugural West Indies Breakout League, a T20 competition set to start in late April. The other protected players are Dietmar Anderson, Leroy Lugg, Ramon Lewis, Javor Royal and Tamari Redwood. Each team is allowed to protect 7 players with a maximum of 3 players aged between 27 and 29. The remaining 7 players per squad will be selected during the draft, and they must all be 26 years old or younger. Cricket West Indies has also mandated that one of the 7 protected players must be a leg spinner. The 2025 West Indies Breakout League will run from April 25 to May 10 at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. I'm Spencer Darlington.
And that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.